I thought you threw it over there. I'm getting it. Hold on. This fool. Wait, where's the fucking stick? Close your eyes. Don't see Anita. No, come on. Okay. So it's this. This. Okay, Anita, come here. No. No, you missed it. Stop it. Wait, was I recording?
Yeah.
Okay, guys, so thank you guys for watching that last little video. It's gonna be like 2 minutes long, but still, I got her ass, and you guys want me to get another prank on her. This wasn't really a big ass prank, but yeah, if you guys want another prank on her, just comment below and like this video, and I'll get if this video gets to five. Wait, don't turn on the light. Turn on the light, please. So if this video gets to 5 likes, I'll drop another prank on her. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and peace.